Today, I have something special for you. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Traxxas RC cars. Conquer any terrain in 2026. After extensive research across multiple sources, I've compiled a list of options that cater to different types of RC enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for the best value, top performance, or a vehicle designed for a specific purpose, this list has you covered. For more details about each product, be sure to check the links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase designed to help you discover some of the best options available. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more RC content. Let's get started. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 on our list of the best Traxxas RC cars of 2026 is the legendary Traxxas 4x4, one of the most durable and beginner-friendly RC vehicles ever created. Built for dirt tracks, backyard racing, light mud, and even sandy terrain, the 4x4 is designed to deliver fast, exciting performance, while handling the abuse that comes with aggressive driving. Its iconic short-course truck body doesn't just look great. It also protects the internal components from dirt, debris, and impacts. The enclosed wheel design helps prevent wheel-to-wheel collisions, making racing smoother and more enjoyable. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is durability. The large front bumper and rugged chassis help absorb crashes that would damage many other RC vehicles, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drivers. Available in powerful brushless versions, including the latest BL2S platform, the Slash delivers impressive speed, strong acceleration, and reliable handling across a wide variety of surfaces. If you're looking for a tough, versatile, and proven RC car that can handle almost anything you throw at it, the Traxxas 4x4 remains a true legend in 2026. Number 4. The Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL, the ultimate all-terrain performance machine. Designed to dominate grass, dirt, gravel, open fields, and even pavement, the Rustler 4x4 combines incredible speed with outstanding versatility, making it one of the most exciting RC vehicles in the Traxxas lineup. Powered by a high-performance brushless system, the Rustler can reach speeds of over 65 miles per hour with the right battery setup, delivering thrilling acceleration and impressive top-end performance. Its four-wheel drive system and wide stance provide exceptional traction and stability across mixed terrain, allowing you to transition seamlessly from asphalt to dirt and grass without losing control. One of its standout features is Traxxas self-righting technology, which can flip the vehicle back onto its wheels after a rollover, helping you spend more time driving and less time walking to retrieve it. Fast, durable, and incredibly fun to drive, the Rustler 4x4 VXL offers the perfect balance between speed and off-road capability. If you want one RC car that can handle almost any terrain while delivering adrenaline-pumping performance, the Rustler 4x4 VXL is an outstanding choice for 2026. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 on our list of the best Traxxas RC cars of 2026 is the legendary Traxxas TRX4, the gold standard for rock crawling and scale trail adventures. Built for extreme terrain, the TRX4 excels on rocky climbs, deep mud, forest trails, stream crossings, and technical off-road challenges that would stop most RC vehicles in their tracks. What truly sets it apart are its advanced features. Portal axles provide increased ground clearance, while remotely locking differentials and a 2-speed transmission allow drivers to adapt instantly to changing terrain conditions. The TRX4 is also famous for its incredible scale realism, featuring highly detailed licensed bodies inspired by iconic off-road vehicles such as the Land Rover Defender, Ford Bronco, and Chevy Blazer. Rather than focusing on raw speed, this crawler delivers precision, control, and a realistic driving experience that closely resembles a real 4x4 adventure vehicle. Its rugged construction, proven reliability, and massive aftermarket support have made it one of the most respected platforms in the RC hobby. If you're looking for unmatched crawling capability, realistic scale detail, and the confidence to tackle almost any obstacle, the Traxxas TRX4 remains one of the best RC vehicles money can buy in 2026. Number 2. The incredible Traxxas Max Ultimate 4S. The perfect balance of power, durability, and all-terrain performance. Built for skate parks, gravel roads, forests, backyards, and massive jumps, the Max Ultimate is designed for drivers who want extreme fun without stepping up to the larger and heavier 8S monsters. What makes the Max so special is its legendary toughness. Engineered to survive hard landings, high-speed crashes, and relentless off-road abuse, it's widely considered one of the most durable RC trucks ever produced. Powered by the Valinian brushless 4S system and advanced four-wheel drive, the Max delivers explosive acceleration, impressive top speeds, and enough torque to power through rough terrain with ease. Its wide stance and oversized tires provide excellent stability and traction, helping drivers maintain control whether they're launching jumps, blasting through dirt, or tackling uneven ground. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of strength, speed, reliability, and everyday usability, the Traxxas Max Ultimate 4S is one of the most complete RC vehicles you can buy in 2026. Number 1. And taking the number 1 spot on our list of the best Traxxas RC cars of 2026 is the unstoppable Traxxas XRT Ultimate, the ultimate king of RC bashing. Built for extreme terrain including sand, mud, high grass, dirt tracks, and massive jumps, the XRT Ultimate is designed for drivers who want the biggest, fastest, and most powerful RC experience Traxxas has to offer. Powered by an 8S brushless system, this monster can reach speeds of over 60 miles per hour, while delivering incredible acceleration and relentless power across virtually any terrain. What makes the Ultimate version stand out is its factory-upgraded aluminum components, reinforced suspension system, and premium electronics, providing even greater durability for high-speed driving and extreme impacts. Compared to the legendary X-Maxx, the XRT features a lower center of gravity, giving it superior stability when cornering and running at high speeds. The result is a truck that feels planted, predictable, and incredibly confidence-inspiring, even when pushing its limits. Massive tires, four-wheel drive, and race-inspired engineering allow it to conquer terrain that would stop most RC vehicles instantly. If you want the absolute pinnacle of Traxxas performance, unmatched power, and the ultimate bashing machine for 2026, the Traxxas XRT Ultimate stands alone at the top. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.